Hey guys, in this series I want to show you how to knit this hat. It is my go-to pattern for hats since it is super simple and quick to knit for all sizes. The hat has a ribbing pattern at the bottom and a more elaborate pattern across the top of the hat. The pattern is originally for men, but I've also knitted in a smaller size for women. All you need to knit this hat is a circular needle in 4mm and some drops yarn, since this is a drops pattern. My yarn is the Karisma yarn by Drops in the color dark mustard. You can use a smaller circular needle and a set of DPNs, but I like to use a circular needle that is 80 centimeters long so that I can knit the hat using the magic loop technique. To start, we cast on 117 stitches for the small size or 129 stitches for the bigger size. I will make this hat for my mother, so I cast on 117 stitches. This will take a while, so I'm speeding this up. After the cast on, I pull out the cord after about half of the stitches to make a magic loop so that I can put the needles together and start knitting in rounds. Push the first half of your stitches down onto the needle. The working yarn is on the other end of your stitches. Now pull out the other needle so that you have enough room to knit. Be careful not to pull out the magic loop. Before you start knitting, make sure that your stitches are not twisted. The first round is a simple round of knit stitches. I find it easier to knit this as magic loop since the hat will become smaller at some point, and that way I can just continue using the same circular needle as in the beginning. After you have finished the first half of your stitches, pull out your needle and push the remaining stitches onto the other needle so that you can knit across the second half of the stitches. In the next round, we will start knitting the ribbing that will later be visible right around the face. Readjusting the needles is a bit difficult at first, but after a few rounds, the work gets firmer, which will make it easier to push the needles around. The ribbing that we will knit for the first few centimeters is knit 1, purl 2. If you're used to knitting socks, it will feel like you need hours to finish just one round, but with the bigger needles and yarn, the hat will be done in no time. Continue in knit 1, purl 2 until your hat is about 4 centimeters long. In the next video, I will show you how to knit the pattern that we will knit for the rest of the hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.